Hyperbolic Paraboloid. So what is hyperbolic paraboloid? So a quadratic surface, it is often helpful to graph the xy trace, xz trace, and yz trace. These are the intersection of the surface with their three planes. To determine the xy trace, set z is equal to 0. Then to determine the xz trace, set y is equal to 0. To determine the yz trace, set x is equal to 0. So hyperbolic paraboloid, z over c squared is equal to x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared. So the characteristics are 2 degree, 2 terms presents 1 in positive, 1 is negative. 1 degree on term, then 1 trace is a hyperbola, 2 traces are parabola, axis is parallel to degree on variable. So hyperboloid of one sheet. The traces parallel to the xy plane are circles, and the other traces are hyperbolas. In general, hyperboloid of two sheets has an equation of the form x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared minus z squared over c squared is equal to 1. The characteristics are all 3 degree 2 term present, then 2 degree term are positive, and 1 is negative when equation is equal to 1. 1 trace is an ellipse, 2 traces are hyperbolas, axis is parallel to negative variable. So hyperbolic of two sheets. The characteristics are all 3 degrees 2 term present, then 2 degrees 2 terms are negative when equation equals 1, then 2 traces are hyperbolas, 1 traces will be an ellipse parallel to the third plane, and axis is parallel to positive variation. That's all. Thank you.